If you are building a microservices, I mean, I'm using NestJS Express also I have used. When I build a microservice, I need to take care of the 12 factor thing. That means when the microservice is up and down, I should be able to know when it crashes. I should be able to know when there are logs which shows a lot of failure. So monitoring is really critical aspect of any microservice. I mean, if you just create a microservice which is not stable, then what's the use of it? So for the internal logging, you can use a Winston, Pino, a debug, Banyan library, or there are some monitoring tool also, New Relic, OpenTelemetry, Prometheus. I have a demo created for New Relic and Prometheus, Grafana, or you can actually extract these logs using using Logstash to the Elasticsearch. That is also covered in the advance. So basic logging, you can use an internal NestJS logger, and then you can just log this, or you can integrate with the Winston. If you are writing it to the logs to the server, then you can actually log rotate. You can write it to the files for each and every day. This is a transport mode. Winston supports a transport mode, console, file, or you can attach an additional transport where it can transport the logs to some a third party platform. So Winston is really a rich library, right? Pino integration, I think it provides really nice look and feel of the logs. You can expose more information on the logs, like okay, that is also possible in the Winston. So there are some advantages. I think I have covered that here. I think it's lightweight and it creates the instance of the logger in a request scope way or something. Prometheus, you can use Prometheus. You can push your logs to a particular route for the Prometheus, and you can expose them. So these are different metrics you can create. Okay, the HTTP request total, HTTP request performance, all these kind of metrics. Open telemetry, this is I am implementing in some of the services. It's like you don't want to depend on third parties, then you can just use open telemetry. It's like you don't want to use the third party library, you want to do the instrumentation and the metrics generation by yourself, then you can just use open telemetry. It's a SDK node SDK, and you can use it with the Lambda, use the server based or serverless, right? Or lot of things you can add in the open telemetry by doing lot of different kind of a tracing. So these are all different tools. I will be covering open telemetry. I haven't covered, but I have planned to add some videos for this. We are covering Grafana, Elasticsearch, and the different logging libraries in the NestJS.